Buying a project car is probably one of the best decisions you'll ever make, or it could be one of the worst financial decisions you put yourself into. I'm currently sat in my project car, and I've just tried to start it, it doesn't even start. But here's 5 reasons that you should buy one. I know that I've recently picked up this Ford Probe GT.
Nice.
Now, I've never actually had a project car before, and this is one of 100-ish left in the UK. So, probably one of the worst decisions I could have made, to be honest. Now that I've bought this car, I've sort of realised that I have no idea what's happening. I've got no money, but let's give it a go. Ever since I was younger, I've always wanted to get into cars, and I'm not just talking about driving cars super fast. I'm on about actually learning how they work mechanically. So that's why I bought this, a car that none of my friends have ever even heard of, and I want to get it started. But first, I want to tell you guys 5 reasons you should actually buy a project car. So here's reason number 1. You actually have to learn things. Now, learning's never something I've actually been good at, but I've actually really enjoyed this. You know, from working under the bonnet to learning how to fit an exhaust and buying tools that I've never even touched in my entire life. It's actually been really useful, and it's going to help me with so many cars. Number 2. It's actually really fun when the car actually wants to work. Obviously, the car's not starting right now. Let's give it a listen. Lovely. So it doesn't start, which is a bit of a bummer, but when it actually works, it's brilliant. And even if it is something really small that you've done to the car, it's so nice to know that you've just done it by yourself. Like today, I've hung up my exhaust, and even though it's not a major job, I'm still so happy knowing that my car's one step closer to being finished. Reason number 3, it actually gives you a purpose. I bought this car because I was extremely bored, just sat in my bedroom doing nothing with my day. But now I'm learning how to fix a car. I'm going to be able to drive a nice old car that people will respect at car shows because it's definitely one of the best cars ever made. It's not. Reason number 4. Now, whilst I bought the car for £1,000, and that's not cheap, it's cheap by car standards. And the amount of money I've actually spent on parts and tools for this car is nothing compared to what I'd pay for a BMW E36 or a Honda Civic or any other of your favourite project cars. A Nissan Skyline, they're like 30 grand now. This car cost me 1 grand. Now, that brings me on to my final reason. Whoa. Technical difficulties? That brings me on to my final reason. The car becomes yours. This car's been owned by a couple of different people. It's got 118,000 miles on the clock. But none of that matters now. I can do whatever I want with this car. And that really excites me. But at the same time, you probably shouldn't buy one. It costs money, it costs time, and half the time you'll have no idea what's going on, and you'll end up scrounging around Facebook groups, messaging people, asking them if they have this part, if they know what they're doing, if they've ever seen this problem before, and if they can help you fix it. I've definitely never done that. But at the same time, that's kind of the point of buying a project car. That's the entire reason that I've bought mine. It's not so that I can have a super fast car and everyone immediately looks at it and goes, wow, he must have a huge dick. It's to give me something to do in my spare time and something to make me feel proud of when I actually finally go out and drive this thing. Now, I have no idea the direction I want to take this car. I might tune it up, I might revert it back to stock, who knows. But if you want to see how great this build becomes, or possibly how bad it is before I scrap it, like everyone keeps telling me to do, then stick around, follow the channel, subscribe, like the video, comment down below what you think I should do with this car, and I'll see you in the next one.